Leatherman is a tool and Leatherman is a company. Origin of the Leatherman tool came when my wife and I were traveling a budget trip, and I was carrying a pocket knife, but I needed pliers. So the idea was to put a pair of pliers in a pocket knife. And I'm a slow inventor. I spent 8 years in my garage developing the tool and looking for a customer. Yes, since I've been 27 years old, I've only worked on Leatherman, so now it's been 40 years. We guarantee our Leatherman tools for 25 years, and we really honor our guarantee. We want happy customers. There's a saying that if you are a happy customer, you will tell 7 other people that you're very happy with Leatherman. But if you're an unhappy customer, you'll tell 25 other people how bad the company is. So we want everybody to tell 7 people that Leatherman is a good company. I feel most proud of creating the original Leatherman tool. It's compact, lightweight. It opens to needle nose pliers, regular pliers, and wire cutters. Inside it has the more traditional blades of a pocket knife, a large screwdriver, medium screwdriver, leather punch, a blade, a can and bottle opener, a Phillips screwdriver, an eyeglass screwdriver, and a file. Today I wear the Leatherman Charge. First of all, you can open the blades from the outside with one hand. And it has a serrated blade for cutting rope or cardboard, a saw, a file with diamonds, standard teeth. And a big evolution is that the handles of the pliers are very comfortable. And then inside is a pair of scissors, a screwdriver for glasses, a large screwdriver, a reversible screwdriver, and of course something to open the can of beer. And on today's Leatherman tool, every blade locks positively. So to unlock, you push, locks. And the outside blades lock as well. This is quite a departure from Leatherman. It's a bracelet. And on the bracelet are 25 tools. It has a cutter to open envelope, a pin to remove the SIM card from your telephone. If you witness an accident, you can break the glass and rescue somebody. And then it has screwdrivers, wrenches. This is a very interesting story. Our superstar designer, his name is Ben Rivera, he took the family to Disneyland. And of course he was carrying his Leatherman tool, but the guards would not let him into Disneyland. So he thought, there must be a way I can design a Leatherman tool that they'll let me bring into Disneyland. And the tread is the result. And as an extra benefit, you can also carry it on an airplane. My activity is almost everything. I have to be a businessman, I have to be a creator, I have to be an accountant and everything. But thinking about the future is very important, and I spend time thinking about the future. As the needs of people evolve, and as technology evolves for the way you need to fix things, then Leatherman needs to evolve with the times. And an example I use now, when people need to cut something, we use a blade. But in the future, it may be that to cut something, you need a laser. So in the future, a Leatherman tool would need to have a laser for cutting.